I have KRUGER MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone dialer right here and let's activate the keypad. Now let's start with the first secret code, so let me open the phone information by using the Android testing menu. So you have to input this code *pound *pound 4636 ###. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up, so here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, for example, and you read such stuff as current network, signal strength, voice service, data service and other stuff. You can also run a ping test or use more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's go back. Here you can also open usage statistics and you can read the following info: last time used and usage time. The list is from all the apps from the device. Let's go back. You can also tap Wi-Fi information, so here you can use the Wi-Fi API and you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks or get connection info. Let's go back and let's open here the Wi-Fi config. So here you've got configured networks and you can read all the specification about them. You can also open Wi-Fi status and read statistics about your Wi-Fi. You can here also refresh our stats and run a ping test. Let's go back. Let me quit the Android testing menu and it's time to open the calendar info. So you need to use this code *pound *225 ***. That's it, the calendar info pops up, so here you can read the information about your calendar. Let's go back by using the back key and it's time to open the Google Play service mode. So you need to use this code *pound *426 ***. The Google Play service just pops up, so here you can read the ping, connect, disconnect, events and status info. Let's go back and at the end let me show you how to check the email number by using the secret code. So you need to use this code *pound 06 pound and the email info just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to confirm it and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.